everybody, another day, another dollar. Today is Wednesday, May 12th. Hope you're all having a good one. Here's a quick breakdown of what you need to know on Wall Street today, starting things off with number one. Coronavirus-related headlines are likely to matter the most to market participants once again today as we weigh the benefits of reopening the economy against the possibility of a second wave of COVID-19 infections. The Chinese city of Wuhan, where the pandemic first originated earlier this year, reported its first new cases since its lockdown was lifted. The worrying development comes following news of a fresh outbreak in South Korea, as well as an alarming jump in the number of new cases over in Russia. On to number two, stocks on Wall Street look set for another volatile and choppy session ahead. After swinging between gains and losses throughout most of the overnight session, the Dow and S&P 500 futures look set for a flat open, while the Nasdaq looks set for a small boost when markets open. Big tech shares have been without a doubt the leaders in the recovery from the March lows, so keep your eyes on those names as well today. Facebook, Netflix, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Friends as they continue to power higher. On to number three. On the data front, the Commerce Department will publish April inflation figures at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time. According to Investing.com's economic calendar, consumer prices are expected to have fallen by 0.8% last month. Excluding the cost of food and fuel, core inflation prices are forecast to have dropped 0.2% last month. On to number four, Federal Reserve officials will be out and about today. Philly Fed President Patrick Harker, Cleveland Fed Chief Loretta Mester, St. Louis Fed President James Bullard, and Minnesota Fed Boss Neil Kashkari are all expected to deliver public remarks throughout the session. Watch for them to talk down the possibility of negative interest rates ahead of tomorrow's big speech from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. And finally, number five, in commodities markets, oil prices are higher this morning following news of an unexpected commitment from Saudi Arabia to deepen production cuts. Riyadh said overnight that it would cut production by another 1 million barrels per day in a bid to drain the global glut in demand and kind of support the market and boost prices. As of this morning, U.S. crude futures are up about 3%, trading at $24.88 a barrel. So that's it for me. May the trading guys be with you. Have a good one, everybody.